Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks and the LW-PX700. This is part 2 of our video series on using the Edit Format button. So in part 2, we're going to go ahead and dive into making that label. So for this label, I'm going to make a warning label, and you guys are going to get a bonus feature. I am going to actually create 2 different columns or blocks of information on my label. So the first block or column is going to say warning. Now to break out or create a separate column, you're going to use the column button here. So I'm going to hit that, and when I do, you'll see that it gives me a set of double-digit numbers and single-digit. So the double-digit is indicating which block or column you're on. So I can see that I'm on column 2 now, and now I can enter in the second column of information. Now I have that all typed into my label. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and start formatting. So depending on what you want to change, you're going to want to move your cursor to the area that you want. So I'm going to move my cursor to the top block or column of information because I want to make that warning bold. So I move my cursor there, and then I can go ahead and tap that edit button. I'm going to scroll down to bold, press return, and then again go to bold and press return on that. Now once I press return, it asks me the area I want to apply this to. So this is where you've got some choices. I can select a single character, I can select the whole label, this line, or this block. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this block for this application. All right, press return, and I can see that it's applied that to my label, but it's giving me this little arrow or triangle here. That's just giving me an indicator that it's applying something special to that part of the label. This is especially helpful if you save this or if you share the printer with somebody else. They'll kind of be clued into what's going on there too. All right, so that's done for the first column. Now I'm just going to move my cursor down to the second column, and then let's format that one as well. So for this one, I want to center the text, 3 lines of information. So again, it asked me the area, and now it's asking me just 2 options, the whole label or this block. I want to apply it to just this block. Go to that selection, press return. Again, I can see that it's applied that here on my label. Okay, but there's one more thing I want to do. I want this text to be italic. So let's go back in there, and I'm going to scroll down to bold and italic. I'm going to select italic, and again choose where I want to apply this to. And again, I'm going to select this block. Perfect. Now you can see I've got that arrow indicator. I can see on the display as well that it's applied those changes. If you needed to make any other changes, you could certainly do that, but I'm ready to push print. Oh, perfect. That is exactly the label I was looking for. If you have any questions on the LW-PX700, formatting your labels, or you want to chat with us about your labeling application, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.